So I just wanted to explain how you can use Google Docs to open a PDF so that you can access highlighting options as was required in the summary paragraph assignment. So when you have an article embedded, there's a number of things that you can do, but I'm going to show you what I find the quickest using Google Docs. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to download it to my computer. If you have a Chromebook, it would automatically go to your downloads, and then you can access it from there. So now I have it on my desktop. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Google Drive. I'm going to go to New, File, Upload. And I'm going to find that article that I just downloaded to my computer. Select and open. And so it will upload that article to my Google Drive, and now I can see it right here. I clicked on recent because if you're just sitting in priority, it will have the ones that you have starred, or just your drive, everything that's in it. So I knew that I wanted it to come up and I would be able to see it. Once you have it here, you can actually right click to open up the menu. There we go. And I'm going to go to Open with Google Docs. Now it takes a bit and it's not necessarily perfect and ideal, but what it does is it takes your PDF and then converts it into Google Doc text. You can go through and fix it up so it looks like the article and take out, as it has some pictures that don't translate, or even some of the information will end up on lower pages. You can change it, do whatever you want, or just leave it the same, knowing that the purpose is just to highlight it. So as I scroll down, here is the rest of the article, and see here there's some usual things that are a little bit off, but for the most part we have it. And then as I go through and read it, as it's asked you to highlight, what you can do, say I wanted to highlight this, for example, then I go to highlight color. I'm going to use yellow because often some of the other colors drown out the color. And so I'm able to see that that's highlighted. So that's how you take a PDF, upload it to Google Drive and to Google Docs, and so that you're able to interact with the text.